Though you may feel like it's an exciting and somewhat relaxing opportunity to work at home, it is important to not carelessly let your security awareness down. Take our old pal Rob here for example. He is soundly working away on some invoices as usual, just as if he was in the office. Wow, Rob, that's a lot of sensitive information you are downloading. I hope it's safely secure on your home computer. Cyberto? All the invoices Rob has downloaded from home? But how? Let's rewind all this mess. The cause of downloaded files being sent directly to Cyberto is likely due to malware being installed on Rob's computer. Normally, the IT team would ensure the security of devices when he's working on the ones from the office, but certainly not his own. So Rob, it looks like you need to take some more responsibility over security, I'm afraid. To better prevent this, you should download and install an operating system update as soon as you are notified about it. There we go. Oh, and always ensure your antivirus software is up to date and running on your computer. Executing these steps will often help patch any recently discovered security issues related to your devices. Before we crack on with those invoices though, is your Wi-Fi network password protected and therefore safe from others freely connecting by any chance? Ah, indeed it is. Let's see that Cyberto fella try and gather your precious data now. You need to be more proactive about security when working from home, as it is harder for your IT support team to ensure security of devices, data, and your network. Download and install operating system updates as soon as they are available. Ensure your antivirus software is up to date and enabled. Protect your home Wi-Fi network and router with strong passwords.